Wow! Look at all these oranges! So juicy! Perfect! Absolutely perfect!
Mro? I know! Fresh orange juice! Yes! All right, Max! Time to work! Ready to roll! Mro!
Okay, Max, time to pick! Almost there! So many good ones!
Look at all these! Hard work pays off! Good job, team! Let's go make some juice!
Yep.
Almost home! Fresh juice, here we come! Parking, perfect!
Almost there, Muffin. Soon, we feast.
Juicy, juicy!
Clean, clean, fresh and clean.
Push, push, push! Almost done. Mro?
Juice, juice, fresh juice.
Look,
My juice! All mine! So good!
here, Muffin. Try some. For you.
More for me, then. Ah, what a perfect day. So much goodness. That's how you do it.
Another day. Look, Muffin, so many tomatoes.
Aha! Tomato soup for dinner!
Time to get to work. Off to the fields. Wish me luck, Muffin. Meow. My trussy tractor.
Almost there. Pew!
Here we go. Chug, chug, chug.
We're here! Time to harvest!
Careful, careful. Perfect.
So many. This will be delicious. Clean, clean, clean.
Almost got it. This is tricky. Into the pot they go. Splish, splash. Whoa!
Steady, Max, steady! Meow!
Just a little. Perfection. Almost ready. It smells wonderful.
Just a little more. This is the best!
For you, Muffin.
Good soup, good company. That was a good day.
Almost done. Good soil makes good plants.
Huh? What was that sound?
Something's not right. Come on, Muffin.
Oh no! A baby goat! It's stuck!
Too far from reach.
The excavator, of course.
Mro?
Time to save the little one.
Ooh, almost there.
Easy, Max, easy. Little goat needs help.
Whoops! Sorry, little one. Max needs more practice.
Meow.
You're right, Muffin. Must be careful. One more try. Ooh. Almost there, little friend. Just a little path for you.
Go, little one, go. Almost there.
You're okay now, little one. Max got you. Meow. Meow.
Fresh leaves. The best for a hungry goat.
Eat up, little one. Max saved you. Welcome to the farm, little friend. Max has new family.